Let me tell you a secret most people can't handle. You don't fail because you're lazy. You fail because someone else already controls your mind. And until you break that control, you'll keep living like a slave, while the people pulling the strings live like gods. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll expose exactly how they do it and how to break free before it's too late. Have you ever wondered why no matter how hard you try, you slip back into the same destructive patterns? Why you say you'll change, yet weeks later you're back where you started? That's not an accident, it's by design. You're being manipulated by forces you can't see, and if you don't recognize them, you'll die with your potential still locked inside you. But here's the twist, the strongest chains aren't made of steel, they're invisible. They're the beliefs, habits, and lies planted inside your head by schools, social media, and even your friends. You think you're in control, but you're not. You're a puppet who thinks he's free. Let me give you an example. Every time you pick up your phone first thing in the morning, you're not choosing. You're being programmed. Those apps were designed by teams of psychologists who know exactly how to hijack your dopamine. The longer you scroll, the weaker you become. They don't want you disciplined. They want you addicted. And the more addicted you are, the easier it is to keep you broke, distracted, and powerless. Still think you're in control? Then answer this. When was the last time you actually followed through on a promise you made to yourself? Exactly, they already own you. But here's the part no one tells you. Once you see the strings, you can cut them. Here's how. First, stop feeding the machine. Every scroll, every wasted hour, every time you break your own word, you tighten your own chains. Instead, do the opposite. Starve your distractions. Feed your focus. If that feels impossible, good. That's how you know you're fighting back. Weak men chase comfort. Strong men chase control. Here's the dark truth. The world doesn't care about your comfort. It only respects strength, and right now you don't have it. But you can build it. And when you do, something strange happens. The same people who used to control you will start to fear you. Most people will never wake up. They'll scroll, consume, and die weak. But a few, the ones who dare to cut their chains, become unstoppable. So I'll ask you one question, and I want you to answer it honestly. Are you ready to keep living like a puppet? Or will you finally take the knife, cut the strings, and own your mind? The choice isn't tomorrow, it's right now.